I have right here microphone stand from NEEWER. This is the model MS007, a low profile mic boom, and let's unbox it. Here is the first part, second part, third part. Here we have screws, keys and organization elements. And right here we have the manual, and that's all in the box. This is for organizing the cables, so they are not hanging everywhere, they are close to this arm. Here we have an adapter between big and small screw. Here we have another adapter between those two screws. And we have two keys. And the assembly is really simple. This part we mount on the desk. Next we mount this on top of this, and this on top of this. So let's mount it. Let's mount it a little bit on the side. The first part is screwed. Let's put on the second part. And on top we can mount this arm. And it is ready. At the end we have this ball end that we can rotate, and we have this screw on top. And depending what type of mounting your microphone has, you can put this adapter or this big one on top and mount your microphone. I have right here NEEWER UM01 microphone. Let's try mounting it on this arm. So let's unscrew the default stand. I can see that this adapter will fit well. Let's screw it and screw it on top. And now you can adjust the microphone how you like to. You can put it on the side. You could put it like this on front or on the back. Or upside down. It is really universal. Let's, for example, mount it on the front. So it is mounted like this, and this arm is really useful because when you are using microphone, you can put it next to your face to have a clear audio. But when you don't need the microphone, you can rotate it on the side and you have more free space on the desk in front of you. And the arm is quite long, so you have a big reach where you can put the microphone and use it. I could rotate it on the other side of the desk and I could talk from there. And I can really easily adjust this position of this microphone depending where you mount the stand and where do you want to use it. And additionally, you can rotate it right here to put the microphone lower or higher. And on the bottom we have these channels for the cable. So when I will connect the cable to the microphone, I can easily put it inside of these channels. You don't have to unplug the cable, you can put in connected cable. The lower arm also has the same channels. and the cable is hidden from the view. And if you need, you can use those organizers to better mount the cable further closer to the computer. And if you would need to adjust this arm, here we have those two keys. So for example, how hard it is to move it up and down, you can adjust it by adjusting the screw that is right here. So a useful arm for the microphone. It is universal, so you can use it with any microphone that has this screw mounting. And it is nice that you can just rotate it away, and when you need it, you can just put it back in front of you, or further away if you would like to, or lower or higher, depending on your setup and your preferences. You can just adjust it to have the microphone in a perfect position for you, and when you don't need it, you just put it on the side and it is not taking the space in front of you. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe and be nice.